Hey, what's up guys? It's Mr. DS18, and on today's unboxing video we have something cool, the VSQ1. This is a new voltmeter sequencer. So pretty much what this does is when you have multiple amps, it'll turn them on and off in a sequence. It'll start from the lowest voltage drop, which would probably be let's say you have an EQ, a DSP, a crossover, and then you have more amps. Then you would want to add the crossover, the DSP, or the EQ in the first slot. I'll show you guys what's inside. I'm going to read the manual a little bit to show you guys what this actually does, and you guys can check it out. So the VSQ1, let's open this up. We can also connect it. Check it out. Check this out. It has a clear plexiglass type of display. It has huge numbers in the front right there. Now here you have slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, then ground, remote, and 12 volt. Now let's check out the manual. So here we got, there's a couple of manuals in there. So voltmeter sequencer. So here it shows you the way you should connect it right there. Check it out. Right there. So it tells you in the first slot you should connect an EQ or a DSP, and then amp 1 in the second slot, amp 2 in the third slot, amp 3 in the fourth slot, and amp 5 in the fifth slot. Then battery, ground, radio, and you're set to go. So let's see what else is here. So here are the screen functions, pressing the button. So if you press the button once, it'll show the lower voltage measured, and then if you press the button again, it'll show you the operation mode, which is off, and then lig. It's pretty easy to use. Everything's right here. So here it says voltage protection. When the voltage drops to 9.4 volts, the off sequence will start, and then it'll start from amplifier or section 5 all the way to 1. If the battery goes back up, it'll go onto sequence on. Then let's say the voltage drops from 9.4 volts because the bass or the subwoofer amplifier was playing hard. Then the off sequence starts from S5, which is the subwoofer amplifier. So the voltage comes back to 10 volts or more. The off sequence stops and leaves everything else on until it reaches 10.5 volts, and then it will turn everything back on. This is pretty cool. Check it out. Check it out. Now let's light this sucker up. So I got my cables here, my screwdriver, my power and ground. So 12 volts. Let's start off with the 12 volt right here. Then we got the remote. Let's bridge it over. Then we got the ground. Put the ground in. Okay. Put this down. Then we got power and ground. Let's start off with the ground. Here we go. And now power on. And there you guys get to see it. Let's flip this over here. Check it out. Big blue numbers. Pretty cool, pretty neat. So this is the button where you're gonna program everything. Let me show you guys the button. This is the button where you can program. All the program features are gonna be in the manual, so read it carefully, guys. Read that carefully. Make sure. Very similar to our other voltmeter. It has 2 screws, 1 on each side. You can either bolt it down, or it has a flat surface, so a double-sided tape if you don't want to screw anything. Now remember guys, this could be mounted on a motorcycle, boat, Jeep, car audio, or if you just want to have something to control your lights, anything you want to use a sequencer for, it'll work for you. So make sure you look into it. Like I said, make sure you also read the manuals. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.